This is Michael Holzmeister. I'm a route manager with Arbor-Nomics Turf here in Marietta, Georgia. Nomi is helping me out today assess the condition of this lawn. And there is a lot of POA. And the property owner is understandably alarmed. She has invested a considerable amount of money in the landscape here and is wondering what is going to happen to this lawn because that POA is taken over. However, that POA is a cool season grass. We're here, it's March 19th. And this POA's days are numbered. It cannot handle the Georgia heat. It will die. And this Zoysia, which is starting to turn green already, will come to dominate this lawn. This type of situation is really common when sod is installed in the fall, especially, a warm season sod installed in the fall. And this just requires some patience. Once the weather warms up, this POA will die. The Zoysia will take hold of the earth, and then we will begin to spray it with our normal formula of weed control and fertilizer. And this Zoysia lawn will fill in and be everything that this homeowner, this property owner is hoping it will be.